Milwaukee Tool has the industry's most versatile and durable Packout storage systems that help you keep your essential tools and accessories well organized. So here are some Milwaukee Packout tools and accessories that you should have. Time to keep storing the tools the way you want. This is the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. With the fully customizable Packout contents, you can organize the tools like never before. It provides true modularity and allows you to stack and lock boxes within seconds in any configuration you need. And the Packout rolling toolbox has all-terrain wheels and an industrial-grade extension handle to support heavy box loads. Oh, the wide handle is another pro, giving you the comfort you dreamed of. Last but not least, the impact-resistant polymer make toolboxes sturdiest than ever. We think you don't need more to count on it. This thing over here is the Packout Dolly from Milwaukee, part of the Milwaukee's best storage system. First thing first, it is durable and constructed with impact-resistant polymer. It has smooth roll wheels and weight capacity of 250 pounds. Sounds good, doesn't it? Now you can transport your heavy boxes easily. Hold on, there's more to mention. It comes with a quick stop loading lever to hold the dolly in place so you can do quick loading and unloading while in a hurry. Milwaukee Packout Dolly, your new load-carrying hero. You've often stored your tools on corners of the worksite, but now it's time to store them on the wall. Here is the Milwaukee Packout mounting plate. It revolutionizes the storage transit from sites to the shop. Thanks to its strong wall and floor mounting capability and metal reinforced mounting points, it delivers a secure hold on the wall or floor. Want to know the best part? It has a holding capacity of 50 pounds, so you can store your wide variety of tools here without any worries of breaking down or damaging them. We talked about the mounting plate, but what you're going to mount there? Well, this is Milwaukee's heavy-duty Packout crate that is constructed of impact-resistant polymer. It quickly locks with full modularity to all your components of Packout system. It's not only quick, but it's fun to do as well. You can also stack or hang it seamlessly with its multiple point. The 50-pound load-bearing capacity makes your storing way more reliable and safe. When on the worksite, you want to hear music, but you don't have a source nearby. Don't complain, because this tool over here is something interesting. Milwaukee's Packout Radio and Charger. It delivers 360-degree clear and balanced sound through a 10-speaker system. You can seamlessly integrate it into the Packout modular system, and it can withstand huge weight loads on top. Most sturdy speaker, right? Not enough for you? The water and dust-resistant design will make sure it survives the toughest job site conditions. Want to know the best part? It lets you sync your device within a range of 100 feet, and you can charge your M18 batteries also. One tool, too many benefits. This is the Milwaukee Packout 2-wheel cart that allows you easily stack or hang storage and tools. The first pro is its compact design. You can move it from here to there with zero hassle and roll through confined spaces easily. Wait, you can also fold it for easy storage. Cool! And the best part is, this 2-wheel Packout cart has a 400 pounds weight capacity. It has 10-inch flat-free wheels that allow you to transfer heavy loads on and off the job site. Ow, it's so sturdy and durable, so you can go anywhere for any job. Okay, this is something different. Wonder what it is? It's a 1/2-inch marine-grade wood top that has a fastener-ready surface to allow you easy mounting on a regular job site materials, vices, chargers, and a wide range of other items. Thanks to the huge load capacity and sturdy construction, this customizable worktop will be your best mate around the job site. Need a worktop? Grab this now. It's time to bring a bit more versatility to your storage option. These are Milwaukee's racking shelves, which have versatile mounting options for walls and use E-Track to allow you to place the shelf in any location. You can mount these shelves vertically, even horizontally. On top of that, each shelf has a huge load-bearing capacity with the metal reinforced frame and durable built quality. Whether you're at the shop or on the move, These Packout racking shelves will fit all your needs like a good friend. A drawer always keeps your compact tools well organized. That's where this Packout Drawer Toolbox comes in. Well, the drawers feature a locking security bar, which keeps them securely shut during transport. Want to know a fun fact? You can organize your drawer as needed with the quick adjust dividers. Like the previous storage systems, it also has metal reinforced corners and durable construction, so weight capacity isn't a concern anymore. Last but not least, you can open and close the drawer smoothly, so your tools will be in place. Plus, you can get 2-drawer or 3-drawer packages. The choice is yours. Maybe your shop doesn't have more storage to store your tools. Count on this: Milwaukee's Packout Shop Storage. It features 2 wall plates with quick alignment tabs, so you can align plates in your desired configuration. Still confused? No problem. These metal reinforced hooks, tool racks, and holders provide the most secure mounting when locked into Packout wall plate. One more thing to mention: you can quickly access your tools to get the job done faster. Don't you think days of disorganized storing are gone? We're sure you think. So that was the list of the Milwaukee Packout tools and accessories that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.